And so, yes, we're interested in commerce. And as you all know, my background is commerce. You know, I am a trader. It runs in my DNA. So you know that I want to make Enugu State the home of trade and commerce.
Hello, my amazing Ebony People TV family. Welcome back to another exciting episode where we bring you the freshest gists and stories from across the southeast as it dey hot. Today we are talking about something massive happening in Enugu as we speak that you do not want to miss. But before we dive into it, if you're new here or just haven't hit that subscribe button yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that button, give us a like, and let's keep the conversation going in the comments. We're working so hard to bring you the latest news, and your support means the whole world to us. Alright, let's get into it. Enugu State is about to change in a very big way. The new Enugu City project is officially underway, and you all, this is a game changer. We are talking about building a future that will rival some of the best cities around the world. And guess what? The Ndi Igbo diaspora over in Guangdong province, China, is fully behind this. During a recent roadshow in China, they showed us so much love and support for this transformative project. This isn't just another real estate development though. This is a vision to make Enugu State the go-to destination for business, investment, tourism, and top-notch living. New Enugu City will have it all. Modern residential areas, world-class medical centers, sports arenas, and even an innovation industrial park. Can you imagine how incredible that will be? What are you waiting for? Come and invest in Enugu State. As a matter of fact, come and invest in Southeast. And the best part, the China Communications and Construction Company, or rather CCCC, started work on the site back in October 2023, and they are not playing. They are getting critical services ready in the next 12 to 8 months, so says the governor of Enugu State, Governor Peter Mbah. I mean, that's fast. When I say Enugu State is about to compete globally, I'm not joking. They are bringing in top-tier consulting firms from the UK, so you know they are serious about this quality. Governor Peter Mbah himself announced all this during the state government roadshow in China. He's been out there doing the work, engaging with investors, and ensuring that Enugu State is positioned as the top destination for anyone looking to invest in Africa. And trust me, the potential is huge. But let's get real for a second. This isn't just a project for the government or big investors, it's for all of us. Whether you're at home or abroad, this is a call to action. It's time to invest in Enugu State. Let's build the future we want for our state, for the Southeast region as a whole. A future we can all be proud of. This is our chance to make it happen. Just imagine a city with dedicated power supply, a central sewage system, high-speed internet, and distinct zones like Happy Island, Vitality Bay, and Innovation Park, each area offering something unique. Residential zones, cutting-edge medical centers, sports arenas, and corporate headquarters for major companies. It's going to be fully serviced with all utilities, power, water, gas, you just name it. Happy Island will be the perfect spot for those looking to live in luxury and convenience, with world-class medical centers and sports arenas just around the corner. Innovation Park, on the other hand, will be the heart of industrial innovation and ICT services, while Vitality Bay will house the corporate headquarters of blue-chip companies and government offices. I mean, this is the future, and it's happening in Enugu State. So, my dearest viewers, what are your thoughts on this new Enugu City project? Are you as excited as I am? Because I feel like this is a turning point for not just Enugu, but the entire Southeast. And when I see this kind of project, I can't help but just express my happiness. I really want to hear from you. Drop your thoughts below. Do you plan to invest? What part of new Enugu City excites you the most? And don't forget, we at Ebony People TV are always combing the streets of every part of southeastern states to bring you these fresh stories. Your support helps us keep doing what we do best. So hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned because you don't want to miss what we've got coming up next. Until next time, let's keep building the Southeast we want to see. Remember, We are not just spectators, we are part of this transformation. Invest in Enugu State today, invest in the Southeast, invest in the future, and let's make it happen. This is Ebony People TV.
We are trying to take advantage of the epicenter location of Enugu. Enugu is the gateway to the south-south, to the southeast, and to the north-central. It's difficult to find a state in Nigeria that has such an advantage. So essentially, and we're right now doing quite a lot of roads that will take you very easily to the north-central. We're doing a 40-kilometer road that will go through. You're going to get to Obola from Amechi, Amankanu, Mbah, Ike, Neke, all the way to Obola, and that takes you, so in less than 3 hours you can actually get to Kogi from Enugu with the new roads we're doing. And so, yes, we're interested in commerce. And as you all know, my background is commerce. You know, I am a trader. It runs in my DNA. So, you know that I want to make Enugu State the home of trade and commerce.